Okay, so we're gonna do a tour of our orchard here, or food forest. Unfortunately, supposedly, my friend or neighbor decided not to deliver water to me, but it's all good, bro. It's all good. Yeah, we got empty totes, but I'm trying to look for other people that can do it. I think I have one, so hopefully I'm gonna give him a call on my payday so he can deliver uh, water to me. Anyway, guys, we're gonna start off right here in front. Austrian pine. Look, yeah, it got big. So I'm doing it today because it's not that windy. So yeah, so it won't be all noisy or whatnot. Don't worry about all those recycling. We got whirlwind all over the place. But this is where I got my cutting from. The mesquite cutting. I don't know what happened here, but I might fix that. Make it clean. Yeah, this is our mesquite tree. Once it grows a little bit more, we're gonna take some more cuttings out of it. Yeah. Here's our Fuji apple. You see what I did? I put a lot of mulch, twigs and whatnot, so retain the moisture because we're not getting any water. So it's being distributed evenly and not much, tiny water for each plant or each tree. So yeah. So we got the our pine tree right here. So I did a schedule, guys. Um, where we'll do fruit trees, pine trees, and just regular trees, and we'll just keep on continuing doing that. It's working out fine right now, but it is springtime's not that hot, but summertime I know we're gonna need a lot of water. Uh, this is pluot, combination of plum and apricot. Yeah, I planted more um, prickly pears. Gonna put more trees right there. Our asparagus. Yeah, it's coming back. It's doing well. Prickly pear. Excuse the mess, guys. Don't mind that. So more prickly pear. And we have our pine right here. Desert pine. Um, Fig. That's our fig. And another desert pine. But let's go over here. This is our mulberry. As you guys can tell, there's some fruits there. Yeah, that one's struggling a little bit. So we have our a little bit bigger desert pine right here. It looks very healthy. Yeah, we got solar lights everywhere. And this is our Afghan. I think it's an Afghan. It's the black fruit. Look at all those fruits right there on the mulberry, guys. Look at all those fruits. A lot. And just a regular tree that's going to provide shade for us. It's going to provide as a windbreaker. But I'm going to go back here a little bit. Ah, man, this tree is struggling. I had this for how many years now? I don't know. Hopefully it'll survive. And this is our apricot. Look at that, guys. Look at all those fruits. Look at all those fruits. A lot of fruits, guys. So yeah, that's gonna be part of our orchard. Dalisay Orchard. And here's our Lai jujube. Yeah, it's really good once it bears fruit. It's like an apple, kind of like an apple, but not too sweet. But it's very, very crunchy. Got all this mess again. Here's our Palo Verde. I went ahead and take out the lower part and make this like an umbrella. Yeah, it works out. And I'll show you guys here. We have fig, brown fig that I put on the ground. This one I gotta put it on the ground as well, but not at the moment. Here's our big pine, desert pine. This one's the biggest one. And I put this on the ground. Our olive, 3. And this one somehow, it has a dieback. This is, I think it's a poplar. But hopefully it'll sprout back. So we got more solar lights right there, guys. Look how big this desert pine. It's huge, maybe 10 feet tall now. Yeah, doing really well. This video might take long, but we'll probably cut it in half. I don't want you guys to get bored. Here's the Palo Verde that has the dieback. Yeah, it was tall, but it has a dieback. But look, guys, you see that? It's sprouting back in the lower area. It's all good. It's all good. More of our prickly pear right here. Look at all these sprouts, guys. Look at that. So we're gonna get more pads, and we can collect that and grow it. Here's more of the poplar. That's gonna grow really big and provide shade for the future chicken coop. Yeah, I have to secure that from our dogs. Freaking dogs are gonna kill our chickens. But we still have one left. But hopefully the rooster died. But we still have the hen, the layer. Okay, anyway, too much drama on that. Here's our apricot, the biggest one that we have. Look at all these fruits. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at all those fruits, guys. Oh, a lot. Mucho frutas. Look at that, guys. Oh, let me tell you something, guys. It's a little joke. I work as a cashier. So there's these two Asian guys that came in trying to get gas and some stuff, some munchies. And I was thinking, hey, I wonder if they're Filipino, Chinese, or Vietnamese or whatnot. So after talking to them, I keep on talking to them. So if I can hear some sort of accent, I say, they must be Filipino. They sounds like a Filipino accent. And I go, hey, by the way, are you guys Filipino? And he said, yeah, we're Filipinos. Oh, hey, kamusta na? Kamusta na kayo? And he goes, they look at each other, dumbfounded, look at each other and goes, what the heck? You're Filipino? So yes, Filipino ako. That means I'm Filipino. And he goes, oh my goodness, bro, pare, we thought you were Mexican, bro. I thought you were Mexican. So, oh my goodness. Now I start cracking up. I said, no, I'm not Mexican, I'm Filipino. Yep, Filipino gets mistaken for Hispanics, or some Hispanic gets mistaken for Filipino. Anyway, that's hilarious, guys. But yeah, look at all these fruits. Oh my goodness. So that's why I decided, you know what? I'm gonna grow persimmons and I'm gonna grow apricot as well. And that's why I bought this apricot right here. Yep, we got another apricot. I'm thinking of putting one more right here. And there's our asparagus. I'm not gonna show you this area, guys, because there's a lot of recycling all over the place. But let me show you what I did over here. Here's our Peruvian apple cactus. Yep, I can't wait for this to grow big. You got the wisteria right here. Oh, wow. Look, guys, it's gonna flower soon. I believe it's purple. But let me raise it up. I don't want to show you guys all the mess. You see right there? That's the one I trimmed, and also I straightened up. Put that post right there. Put some rope so it'll be all straight. You don't want it to grow big and it's all crooked. Yeah, because of the wind. Very windy here, guys, in the high desert. It's all good though. It's all good. I gotta fix that fire pit. We got some more wood, so hopefully one of these days we're gonna do some fire at night. More of the there's more of the pine trees, desert pine. Oh, here's our mulberry. This is the biggest mulberry that we have. Look, that's from a cutting, guys. Cutting. Yeah, see, it has a lot of fruits that's gonna grow big, so we can harvest that. But again, it's just the beginning of spring, guys. And we got the big wood. We're gonna cut that up. I got more solar lights. Yeah, I got solar lights everywhere. And this is lilac. Beautiful flowers. Smell really, really good. So let's go over here, guys. More solar, Palo Verde. There's the pines, desert pine. Wow, I forgot desert 3 or something. I forgot. Yeah, I gotta fix those. Yeah, no, we don't have that much money, guys, but we're doing the best we can. This is our citrus. I'm not sure if this is an orange or a lemon or a mandarin. I'm not sure. Same thing with this one. I lost the tag, but yeah, we got 2 citrus left that survived. That's where the old chicken coop was. Something killed our 7 chickens way back, so I'm dismantling everything. We're gonna burn those, use it as a fire. Yeah, more solar lights right there. Some of the pine trees died, but we still have one right there. And we have our asparagus that came back. Asparagus. Yep, I just watered it. But I'm just gonna do half of the place right here. The rest I'm gonna do later. It's gonna be too long. Solar lights. Yeah, we got solar lights everywhere. Here's our pond. No water. Hasn't rained. Yep, we got more cactus right here. We have our desert pine. More solar lights. Desert pine. I'm gonna show you guys all the persimmons that we have right there. Here's our lang jujube. Not my favorite. I like the lie better, but it's all good. It's very hardy. It survived. Here's our outdoor kitchen. But yeah, we got the grapes right here. I'm trying to grow an avocado, grapes. Yeah, this is where we have the grapes right there. That's all from cuttings, guys. Cuttings. Look at that. Yeah, from cuttings. Well, that's it, guys. This it's too long. You guys gonna get bored, but thank you for watching Dalisay Orchard, and hopefully you guys will subscribe, share the video, so we're gonna have part 2, maybe part 3, because we're gonna cover the 5-acre land here that we have. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.